Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox crash problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here background apps, click on it, and then just turn off this option background apps, turn it off and go back. Go to Roblox, right click on it and go to properties, and once you're here go to compatibility, and now in compatibility mode you need to make it you need to find this one, run compatibility troubleshooter. Click on it. Now just wait few seconds and then click try recommended settings and click test program, and that's it. Then your problem must fix it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.